Govern.
Learning govern. I lie.
I go around this one and say me look young and tell. But you can't call me Danny though.
Govern. What name you got again?
No Danny.
Danny.
Govern are the oldest one, man. The man a fool you don't even know you're bigger.
That's it. That's why he may tie up.
Yeah. He may tie you up, eh?
Yeah. Because no
So you do alright though? You alright though, you alright?
No man, we sick people about 10 years now with the circulation, poor circulation. And all my friends them who had the circulation, them lose their legs. But thank God me too still there on hold you know.
Keep moving about.
Yeah, and then I don't do no work again, you know, I no butcher or nothing.
No. Oh, you have to relax.
You take aspirin fit in your blood? Any aspirin?
Yes, I have one whole half vial, you know, but it would be good for me thinning the blood. But if you ever get one cut anyway,
you run like a hell, me know.
Yeah. And every man have a limit, you see.
Yeah.
If you know every man have a limit. And then I gone to God now and I trust him. And I keep serving him. And I talk about church because the people in the world now want to go to church. Because
it's an establishment of business.
The church can save them. Church can't save nobody. Church never save one man.
Later that evening, we attended Mr. Amy Clark's night.
Now tell us you can't share a soup. But you're not gonna mash up my service with the soup. Because people can't dance with soup. So you see anybody on their booth they feel like you don't want one soup to drink, you just step aside and drink. Well, for me no want no soup, for me